K for Kids, a hub of ideal tomorrow principles, compassion, and good citizenship. Subscribe, like, and share. Information literacy. What is information literacy? It is the ability to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Information can come from books, websites, videos, podcasts, and even other people. Why is information literacy important? Information literacy helps us learn new things and become more knowledgeable. It helps us be safe and avoid false or misleading information. Finding information. When you're finding information, ask yourself what you want to know and how you might find it. When using the internet to find information, remember to use safe search engines or websites recommended by your teacher. Information can also be found in books. Visit the library and search for books on your topic. You can also find information from other people. Talk to teachers, librarians, or knowledgeable people who can help you find the information you need. Evaluating information, consider the author and source. Who wrote it? Is it somebody we trust, like a scientist or an expert? Check for accuracy. Is the information correct? It is also important to check if the information is current or is it too old to be useful. Does the information only show one side or is it fair and balanced? Using information, take notes, write down important facts or ideas in your own words. Organize. Put your notes or information in order so it's easier to understand. Share. Tell others what you have learned. Respect. Give credit to the authors or sources you used. Subscribe, share, and like.